having so much fun on our reunion trip. We're sleeping. Just made the Horseshoe Bend. It's $10 to park, and we got maybe like a 10-minute walk to get there. It's right down there is the Horseshoe. This is where the river goes, and that's the flat part in it. Be there soon. So we made it, and they let you walk right up to the edge. And I'm kind of scared to have my phone. Is everybody else hanging out? Yeah. I'm gonna zoom in. Oh, too much. There's a kayakers way down there. Kayakers for scale. Mom's over here being dangerous, climbing down in the ravine. There's Lena, way over there. Damn.
Toss him his dick.
So if you're gonna come here, I would suggest bringing an umbrella because it's 100 degrees outside and the sun is shining on you and there's nothing for shade anywhere ever. Checking out the Glen Canyon Dam, and then we're gonna go swimming. I'm gonna drive where these people are, and we're gonna walk down to here. And that'll be us. That's where we were over there. About to go swimming. Who's excited? Yay! Taking a little dirt road. Woo!
Oh, Jesus Christ. Stupid ass.
So the place we were going to is called The Chains. You park, find the garbage can, and head down to the right. Down the rock, you can pretty much go anywhere. You just aim for the water, it's not that hard, and then just keep going right. Definitely bring an umbrella. Everywhere you go in Arizona, just bring an umbrella. It is so hot.
Big floppy hat.
Big floppy hat.
Where I am today, Jarek and Lena and Malika. We're hitting all the swimming holes.
Watch your son, Mom.
He doesn't even know if there's like rocks down there. I got the movie on. Come on, move. Watch Derek. Watch Derek. Oh my God, that child.
There's some kind of rocks.
Please don't lose your phone.
I'm a terrible, terrible person.
What are they playing? Get water in my drink. Like a Clamato model.
Welcome to Utah. Alright, so we're going to Lone Rock Beach, and that's why they call it Lone Rock.
Smile.
We're at Lone Rock Beach now. Malika doesn't know how to swim, so she had to get a butt floaty. Ooh.
Okay. Oh my God.
Welcome to Burning Man, motherfuckers! Holy shit, look at it! Oh my God, it's everywhere. Where's Malika? I think she got lost in it. Look at poor guys saving Malika. Oh, the kayak is in the water, the tube. Holy hell. Holy shit, that was crazy. Woo-wee. What's crazy is that there's people from all over the world here. And I really didn't know much about this place until my stupid friend said we should go, and then he didn't even show up because he's an idiot, but fuck that dude Mike anyway. And Lucas, fuck you too. P.S. Squeech, you're awesome. Go to the Wahweap Marina to get our boat. I said come early because there's a lot of people, and clearly they weren't lying. We're about to embark on the unknown. This is Navajo Canyon, and it should get narrower and narrower and narrower and narrow. So sick. Say hi! Oh, it's like the sickest boat ride ever. All in these canyons. All right, sit on the edge. I'm getting you closer. Hold on, hold on. Hold on.
Don't you dare touch
I'm
me.
filming.
You're an asshole.
Malika, I apologize for pushing you off the boat at the cliffs, but it did have to be done. So I sent the girls way up there. And I said it was gonna look like a pretty photo, and I was right, because it's fucking gorgeous. We're all alone, middle of nowhere. All right, Lena, I'm ready when you are. Yee-wee! Look at them. Safety jackets and all. Fuck you, Lena and Katie. Fuck you. Oh my god, it floats. Fuck. All right, I made everybody margaritas. Get your cups and cheers.
I need another drink.
Cheers.
Get that hot dog out of here.
Cheers.
Cheers, Lena.
Yes, Lena.
Fuck you and your hot dog.
The hot dog came. All this way just for you.
Everybody hang on, Malika's driving. Yee-hoo!
Where do I go?
Wherever you want. Just don't hit the cliff. Now we're gonna beach ourselves.
Which way's this boat going?
Let's see if Lena can do it.
You don't think I can drive a boat into the ground?
So we just learned that there's this gigantic rope here
Oh, maybe you can jump
and
off
this
of it.
big ass cliff. All right, so I made it to the rope. I honestly don't know if I can climb it. That's fucking tall as shit. This is everybody.
Do you all remember on Facebook when I said this is like the sketchiest cliff jump I've ever done in my life? This is it. So I couldn't climb that rope to jump off the actual cliff, so I climbed up the other part and I jumped from there. I knew I could make it, but you couldn't pay me to do that jump again. And all my life of cliff jumping, that is the worst cliff jumping I've ever done in my life. Sketchy as fuck.
Thinking about it, but I do gotta run out quite a far way to make the clearing. I really have to go down to here instead of here where I'm standing.
In the slow-mo section, you can actually see the point where I realized that, or I thought I was going to hit, and I like spread my legs. My idea in my head was that I'm gonna just start running down the cliff if I hit it, and hopefully I won't hurt myself. So you can actually see my moment of panic in the slow motion section. I have my legs together, and right towards the end, I spread them again. That's my moment of panic.
Malika and Derek. Lena's our driver.
Don't videotape me.
All right.
I don't want to swim farther than I have to.
Yeah, but we don't want to break the boat.
Fucking dickhead.
Oh my god. What's he gonna do?
Go snorkeling in the 100-foot water, apparently.
Oh shit.
Oh, shit.
Oh, he's alive.
Fuck yeah. It really does.
Lena, can you explain to everybody what you're doing?
I had to pee so badly. I'm dipping my pussy into the water. Lena, what?
Stop.
You told me well, Mom.
Mom, what is your daughter
I
doing?
learned this from my mother.
Dipping her what in the water?
Lena, you don't have to go that far. She's going pee. At the public gas.
Your family do this?
No. Oh, no.
Thanks for watching the 3rd annual Friends and Family Reunion. The last 2 years' videos are in the description below. Hopefully I'll see you guys in next year's reunion. Check your Facebook event requests. I already sent them out.